Are you looking for the best Cricut machines for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best Cricut machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Cricut Explore Air 2. Our editor's choice is one that may vary in pricing depending on the finish you pick. Nevertheless, you should have a budget of about $250 if you are seriously thinking about purchasing the Cricut Explore Air 2 Mint. As mentioned above, this is a cutting type machine and one that should be able to handle working on different types of materials. Examples of such include cardstock, paper, magnet paper, transparencies, and more. With that, the product has already positioned itself as a versatile artistry tool. Once you've ordered this from Amazon, you should be aware that it comes with Design Space software. As such, you can work on and finish your designs on your PC and leave the heavy lifting of imprinting these designs on various materials to the machine. The manufacturer makes sure all their bases are covered by creating software for all major operating systems. This is inclusive of iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows systems. As such, whether you have your phone or your PC to work with, you are still good to go. Of course, for your phone to work with the device, all you need to do is turn on the Bluetooth, link the machine, and you are good to go. Of course, with the fact that the software can be downloaded onto your phone or iPad, you can design on the go. A review of this tool would be incomplete without the mentioning of the fine point blade. This component is what makes it possible for the machine to cut into 100 different types of materials. In addition to that, it allows for fast mode, which minimizes the time you have to wait for your project to finish. Also included in the package is an adhesive mat that you will attach to the material you want to cut your designs into, and that allows you to load the material onto the machine. At number 2. Cricut Maker. The Cricut Maker is rather simplistic in its naming and sums up the job of the device in 2 words. This is a higher-end machine than its predecessor on the list, and you will have to pay almost twice as much to own it. Whether or not it is worth this price point is up to you to figure out from the features listed. It is superior to other products, especially when it comes to the different materials it can handle. 300 plus materials is quite an impressive statistic. Nevertheless, the tool still has more to offer. Of course, it will come with its copy of Design Space. As such, you will have a hard time finding a device that the machine is incompatible with except those with Linux operating systems. As to the finish, there are 5 different colors to choose from. However, unlike its predecessor, these color options do not come in at various price points. One thing you should take note of is the rotary blade that makes working with fabrics a cinch. Also, there is the chance that the bundle in question does not have enough accessories for every type of project. Nonetheless, the manufacturer also allows for extra accessories to be attached to the device, and this may cover for that deficit. As well, you may find the docking slot useful since it can hold your tablet, phone, as well as any other working materials that you may want close to you. In addition to that, a USB port is included. With it, you can plug in your phone or tablet and not have to move an inch before the project is over. You may as well want to look into the digital sewing patterns that you can buy to add to your collection of original ideas. At number 3. Cricut 2000293 Cuttlebug. As to the Cuttlebug, you find a lot of differences between this small machine and its predecessors on the list. This is both in design and functionality. However, it does have its niche of people that would prefer it to any other device on the market. As mentioned above, the main functions for the tool include die cutting and embossing. As such, there are likely a couple of projects that only this machine is suitable for. As well, you cannot discount the fact that it allows for the cutting of a variety of materials, including thin leather. You might not see it from the image provided, but the tool is rather small in stature. It is as well light. Add that to the fact that it folds up and has a pop-up handle, and you will realize that the machine is meant for mobile use. As such, you can take it with you whenever you need to work on a project on the go. Another thing we like about the device is the suction base. You only need to activate it by simultaneously lowering the platforms of the invention while placed on a tabletop. After that, the suction base will ensure the device stays stationary and stable while you finish up your project. As it stands, the device will come with a few cutting pads to get you started. After a while, you will likely need to purchase other cutting pads as well to supplement your supply. At number 4. Cricut EasyPress 2. This less than $100 Cricut EasyPress 2 is a high-value, low-budget piece of equipment that will add tremendous value to your arts and crafts toolbox. You can also tell that the device is rather compact in comparison with other options in the market. Consequently, it can only handle relatively small projects. As to the materials that this tool will work with, you find most iron-on variants to be compatible. Infusible ink products can be used in conjunction with this device as well. You should be impressed by the time it takes for this product to finish up a project. After a maximum of 60 seconds, you should be moving on to your next project. Also, the temperature controls can be adjusted up to the 400 degrees Fahrenheit parameter with ease. When it comes to construction, the manufacturer seems to have included a ceramic-coated surface with the device's heat plate. This is what ensures that your projects get done promptly. The insulated safety base is as well included so that the heat doesn't transfer onto your tabletop. Another safety feature is the auto shutoff that shuts the device down after it is done with your project.